Welcome to the Backcountry Health Rehab video library. Today we're going to be going over how to do the hip crossover stretch.
The hip crossover is a great stretch for tight hips that targets the deep gluteal rotators and the hip capsule. Start lying on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Cross your left ankle over your right knee and then rotate your hips to the right until the left foot and outside of the right knee are flat on the floor. Rotate slowly and gently and make sure there is no pain in your back as you rotate legs down to the floor. To intensify the stretch, you can use your right hand to gently pull the left knee in towards you. Alternatively, you can push the left knee away to work the hip capsule into external rotation. Hold the stretch for 30 to 60 seconds on each side, or alternatively, hold a shorter stretch of 5 to 10 seconds, reset to the starting position, and perform 3 to 5 repetitions on each side. You can increase the stretch by moving your feet closer in towards your butt from the starting position, or reduce the intensity by moving your feet farther away.